Hello everyone, Collectaholic here, and today I'm excited. Why am I excited? Because today I am going to be opening up a case of M2 Machines, the Ground Pounder series. Hey guys, got this case of M2 Machines, Ground Pounder series. They make some of my favorite muscle cars, and boy are they sweet. They really know how to make them. Anyway, got this awesome case. Let's rip this bad boy open and see what we have inside. You guys, let me know your favorite down below in the comments. It's going to be a hard one because they do such a great job. Alright, let's pull out car number one. We have the 57 Chevy Nomad. Look at that. It is sweet. And you guys stay tuned because I am going to be opening all of these up in another video. Show off these beautiful cars and all the detail. That is a beauty. Alright, next one up. We have a Chevy El Camino SS 454. Look at that. Nice. Sweet. Love the dual exhaust. Alright, number three. There should be 6 castings in this case. And here is another beauty. Wow. This is gorgeous. 1958 Plymouth Fury. Look at that. She is sweet. Woo. Look at the back of that. Nice dualies. Like to have that parked in my driveway. Hey, I could have it parked in my living room, or my bedroom, or wherever I want in my house. Alright, number 4. Oh man. Bum, bum, bum. Look at that. Shelby 1967 Shelby GT 500. Damn. I used to have a 1970 Boss Mustang back in the day. Back in 1986, actually. Nice. 1971 Plymouth Cuda. One of my favorite cars. 1970 Hemi Cuda. Gorgeous. Those rims. Nice big fat tires. Another beauty. Alright guys, last one. It's a truck. Nice sweet Ford pickup truck. 56 Ford F100. And look at that. Look at the paint job on that. Those rims. They do such a good job. Dual exhaust. Alright guys, in a future video I will be opening these up and we could take a closer look at these beautiful castings. Alright guys, I want to thank you guys for stopping by for these few minutes. You guys enjoy your night. Until next time.